Hey everyone, it's Dan from Sidehustle Reliance. On my channel we're focused on helping the online money making community find new and exciting ways to profit using our PCs and our smartphones. Last year I created a video detailing the comprehensive guide to utilising Freecash. Since then, the approach to actually earn on Freecash has evolved, allowing people to actually generate a few dollars every single day with minimal effort. In this video we're going to explore the updated ultimate strategy for Freecash and showcase how you can exploit the bonuses on the site for effortless income. Let's dive right in. So Freecash stands as a popular get paid to site, boasting over 1 million users with over 60 million cashed out, and it's actually available globally, so no matter where you are, you can access Freecash. The platform offers a range of different features such as surveys, offer walls, video watching and much more. As always, the link for Freecash is in the description. If you use my exclusive link, you get access to a free case worth up to $250, as well as if you earn $1 within the first 24 hours of your account being open, you actually get access to 3 additional cases, which is another $250 each. Best of luck on potentially winning $1,000.
Now we're going to take $1,000.
Anyways, to optimize our earnings on Freecash, we need to take advantage of the 7-day streak rewards and the daily bonus ladder. First and foremost, you need to focus on reaching $100 made, or level 100 on the platform. This milestone grants you access to the highest payment on their daily ladder, so you can get 10 cents every single day without any effort. Literally 10 cents a day by just clicking one button. Once you've hit level 100 and you're actually earning 10 cents a day daily, then focus on the 7-day streak rewards and maintaining that streak as much as possible. To do this, you do need to earn $1 a day, but be rest assured, in this video I'll be showcasing the easiest ways to do that every single day. By continuing the 7-day streak, you can ensure an easy $1.50 every single week, and then on the 7th day you actually open a free case on their site, which could have value up to $250. This is where we can exploit the system.
Yeah, boy.
This means that once you've hit the maximum level 100 on the bonus ladder and sustain your streak daily, on average you will earn around $3 every single week by just completing 7 actions worth $7. Literally minimal effort, and this can actually benefit you massively. So now you may be wondering, how can you actually earn $1 a day? Well, here's the 4 easiest methods you need to utilize. When it comes to completing surveys on Freecash, focus on 2 different platforms. You want to focus on CPX Research and Your Surveys. These 2 platforms stand out as the best options on Freecash, offering a wide range of different surveys. They have minimal rejection rates and they have the highest payments available, which makes it easier to actually hit that $1. In most cases, there is at least one $1 survey available on these platforms, so dive right in. So I'm just jumping in here. So Freecash has just released a new update to their site when it comes to surveys. So you can do the standard surveys on CPX and Your Surveys, but now there's a part on the website known as freecash.com/surveys, and if you complete a survey on this and you get rejected, you'll actually be able to spin a wheel where you can earn up to 1,000 Freecash points or $1 every time you fail a survey.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
But wait, there's more. So for every survey you complete which is worth over $1, you'll actually gain an additional chance on their daily bonus ladder. When this ladder's maxed out, that means you actually gain another 10 cents on top of your daily reward, as well as the survey. The thing is, you don't have to stop there with surveys either. If you want to earn more and you want to do more surveys than just 1 or 2, you can do. There's a lot of high-paying surveys always available. Completing offers is a fantastic way to earn on Freecash, as the platform is known for its lucrative offers. These offer tasks can range from simple actions such as signing up for a certain website to even playing mobile games. Yeah, you can actually get paid to play mobile games. I find these offers are the most effective methods for leveling up and reaching level 100 and getting that 10 cents a day on Freecash. So when I first signed up for Freecash, I got to level 100 within my first day by using a sign-up offer for Gemini, the crypto exchange. So I signed up and I deposited $10 and I got $100 on Freecash from actually using them as the actual offer wall to get me there. So following that, I got straight to level 100 and I could start to claim that 10 cents a day every day for literally a few minutes work. Keep in mind though that offer walls are constantly being updated and evolving, so stay vigilant and keep your eyes out for any new opportunities which you fancy doing.
Then there'll be more, much more, I guarantee it.
If you have a spare Android or iOS device, you can use it to watch content on Loot TV, and transfer the points accumulated directly to Freecash at a 1-to-1 ratio. It's advisable though to only transfer points from Loot TV to Freecash once you've actually accumulated at least 1,000 points on Loot TV or $1 in value. One thing I like to do though is I like to wait until I'm at risk of losing my daily streak. So I use Loot TV to maintain this streak, and that ensures I can continue to earn daily bonuses without interruption. It's essential that you chain your earnings to maximize these bonus rewards. So Pixel Point TV operates similarly to Loot TV, offering passive earning opportunities. However, Freecash may not be the most optimal platform for transferring points earned. In such cases, transferring these points to a site called lootup.me would be more beneficial. However, if your priority is to reach that daily bonus ladder as quickly as possible on Freecash, definitely consider transferring these points over. And again, if you are at risk of losing your streak, transferring these points over to Freecash and maintaining that streak is probably the best move you can make. Finally, another way to earn on Freecash is through Watch, which operates very similarly to Loot TV and Pixel Point TV. To access this earning opportunity, simply navigate over to the offer walls and then click Wall. And then in the top right corner, there should be something called Watch. So once you've earned 10 cents on Watch, it will instantly transfer over to Freecash, contributing your earnings towards climbing the daily bonus ladder. This provides an additional avenue for boosting your earnings on Freecash. It's worth noting though that following Freecash on their social media platforms such as Twitter, Instagram and Facebook can be highly beneficial to you. So they release certain codes on these different platforms and you can actually input that into the site and earn between 20 and 50 cents per code you input. However, you do need to act fast on these codes because they do get claimed very quickly. So therefore, make sure you've got notifications on these 3 platforms so you do not miss out on the earning opportunities from Freecash on their social media channels. When cashing out on Freecash, I always choose to do PayPal, mainly because I can invest that money a lot easier into the stock market, but I have tried other payment options such as Litecoin. Here's some lovely payment proof from Freecash. To conclude, to succeed on Freecash, prioritize reaching level 100 on the site and continue earning $1 every single day. Personally, I find CPX research and your surveys are the most effective ways to keep that $1 chain going. If you do struggle to actually qualify for surveys though, follow my guide on my YouTube channel where I break down how to qualify for every single survey and improve your chances. Then, as a last ditch effort, use Loot TV and Pixel Point to maintain that daily streak. And if you actually manage to consistently maintain this streak every day for a year, you will earn at least $200 in bonuses. Yeah, that's right, at least $200 in bonuses by just earning $1 a day. This translates to over 50% of your yearly earnings coming from these bonuses on Freecash, and that's simply by following the $1 a day strategy. Overall, I highly recommend Freecash as a top get paid to site. The ability to earn daily bonuses allows you to maximize your online earnings easily on Freecash. As someone who regularly explores different platforms you can earn online, I firmly believe that Freecash is among the best. It rivals Swagbucks. If you do have any questions on Freecash, please let me know in the comments. On screen right now is my 2 newest videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you guys real soon.